Assalamu alaikum class 6. Hope you will be fine students. Here is your book of the grammar tree. I love you open page number 9. Students, we were discussing about noun, number and discussed different rules to change singular noun into plural, and we have learned that some nouns always plural and some are always singular in usage, and some singular and plural forms are same, and some nouns are singular in forms but plural in usage, and some are plural in forms but singular in usage. And today we are going to start our exercise A, that is related to noun. Noun, number. Change the following sentences into plural form. One has been done as an example. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 10 सेंटेंसेस हैं और उन सेंटेंसेस में हमें कुछ वर्ड ब्लैंक में दिए गए हैं जिनके हमने प्लूरल फॉर्म यूज़ करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल आप सेंटेंस नंबर 1 में देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ अ ब्रॉन्ज स्टैचू इन मिसेस साइमास रूम. हियर द वर्ड स्टैचू इज़ मिसिंग. वी हैव टू यूज़ इट्स प्लूरल फॉर्म. देयर आर ब्रॉन्ज स्टैचूज इन मिसेस साइमास रूम. Students, I hope you have understand it. Number 2, I took the child to the doctor's clinic. Dash took the dash to the doctor's clinic. We will use here the plural of I, we, and plural of child is children. We took the children to the doctor's clinic. Rashid said that her tooth was aching. Rashid said that her dash were aching. Plural of tooth is teeth. A passerby helped me to find a taxi to go home. Dash helped dash to find dash to go home. Passersby helped me, plural form is us, to find taxis. तो जब हम इसको टैक्सी को रिप्लेस करेंगे टैक्सीज में, देन वी विल नॉट यूज द आर्टिकल विद इट. टू गो होम. पासर्स बाय हेल्प्ड अस टू फाइंड टैक्सीज टू गो होम. एंड सेंटेंस नंबर 5 इज, एवरी चाइल्ड हैज़ ब्रॉट हिज कॉपी ऑफ बुक. The dash have brought dash of the book. Here the child will be replaced with its plural children and copy with its plural copies. The children have brought copies of the book. A mother-in-law is often portrayed as evil in films. Here the word or the noun mother-in-law will be replaced its plural as mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law or often portrayed as evil in films. Look, there's a mouse scampering off. Look, there are. We will use the plural of mouse as mice scampering off. The goose stretched its long neck. The dash stretched dash long dash. The plural of goose is geese, and its means their long necks, and neck will be replaced by necks. He has finished all her homework. He has finished all her homework. This sentence is like that. Has she finished all her homework? It's in a question form. Has she finished all her homework? We have to change the word she into they. We have to make its plural. Have dash finished all their homework. Okay students, have they. She will be changed into they. Finished all their homework. Homework will be replaced like homework will be remain same. I could see the deer standing near the tree. I could see the deer standing near the tree. This is also a right one sentence. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन तमाम सेंटेंस में जो हमारे पास ब्लैंक्स थे, इनके जो वर्ड नहीं राइट डाउन हुए हुए थे, हमने उनकी प्लूरल फॉर्म लिख के तो उस सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना था. You have to complete this exercise on your notebook, on your books, on your on your books like this. Let's revise. We have another exercise B. State whether the following sentences are correct or not. Rewrite the incorrect sentences. You have to rewrite the incorrect sentences, or you can write the incorrect word only. For example, sentence number 1, the sheep grazing in the lush green fields looks so picturesque. यहाँ पे word looks यूज हुआ है. Looks is not suitable. Here the word look will come. यहाँ पे हम word looks नहीं यूज करेंगे. Look is suitable word. Every piece of news in the papers these days is depressing. And sentence number 2 is a correct sentence. These days the gentry in the cinema halls behave badly. The word behave is not correct. We will use the word behaves. Are you planning to sell your old furnitures? Here the word furnitures is not right. We will use the word furniture. We will use the word furniture, not furnitures. My new trousers does not fit me well. Here the word does is not correct. We will use the word do. There were no breads left in the bakery by the late morning. There was, we will not use the word were. Okay students, we will use here the word was. There was no bread, and we will omit the s that is at the end of the word bread. There was no bread left in the bakery by the late morning. The bacteria looks so huge under the microscope. Here the right word is look, not looks. Educational qualification is the main criteria for selection. Here we will use the word qualifications, not qualification. I spotted a group of at least 8 deers in the wildlife park. The word deers is not suitable. Here the word deer will come. Your hairs are becoming prematurely gray. Here also the word hairs is not suitable. The suitable word is hair. Students, next exercise is exercise C. Make sentences using the plural form of the following nouns. Here are some nouns. We will use its plural form, make its plural form, and then use them in sentences. Office, offices, wolf, wolves, child, children, liquid. Liquid is, students, here is an information for you also that the word liquid and responsibility also used as liquid, responsibility, and can be used liquids and responsibilities. For example, I will clear here you that one things. In general, liquid and responsibilities, plural is liquid and responsibility, but in some cases mean in specific forms or specific cases their plural form will be liquids and responsibilities. Understand it? Roof, roofs, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, goose, geese. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का मैं आपको कंफर्म कर चुकी हूँ कि हम इसको प्लूरल में ज़्यादातर इसको प्लूरल में हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ही यूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और लिक्विड हमारे पास काउंटेबल में भी आ सकते हैं और अनकाउंटेबल में भी आते हैं, काउंटेबल नाउन और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो हम इसको दोनों तरह से यूज़ करते हैं, लिक्विड को लिक्विड और लिक्विड्स, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ दोनों में यूज़ करते हैं. ग्रेट आंट एंड स्टोरी. Now students will use these singular in sentences of. And dear students, you have also complete this exercise, exercise C, on your notebooks like this. First of all, you have to write down the chapter name, chapter 2, nouns, number, focus. Exercise C. Make sentences using the plural form of the following nouns. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वर्ड है आपके पास ऑफिस एंड इट्स प्लूरल फॉर्म इज ऑफिसेस. सेंटेंस है जी, ही क्रिएटेड मैनी ऑफिसेस एंड शेमलेसली सोल्ड देम, एंड शेमलेसली सोल्ड देम. वुल्फ है सेकंड वर्ड हमारा, इसका प्लूरल फॉर्म है हमारे पास वुल्फ्स. वन मस्ट हाउल विद द वुल्फ्स, वन मस्ट हाउल विद द वुल्फ्स. थर्ड वर्ड इज चाइल्ड एंड इट्स प्लूरल फॉर्म इज चिल्ड्रन. Children are playing cricket. Children are playing cricket. Liquid. Liquid here its plural form is liquid as well as liquids. We saw various types of liquids. Here students,